gonna blow his tail. The kingdom come behind another this lag on decision, another this fooling around. So she's gonna take it for the ultimate ride on the last train out of town, on the last train on the ground. Baby, I knew what the meaning is. The whole scene couldn't be worse. I told her, ride on the last train, baby, to the end of the universe. I do not believe your baby story. And before I go with your hearse, why don't you ride on the last train, baby, to the end of the universe, to the end of the universe. I was not worried until she walked down singing these words. Guitar, vocals were not John. Thank you. Sitting behind me on the drums in front of you, we got Brian. To my right, on guitar, and vocals, they always been able to pronounce it. Give it up for Tony Shade. And a big hand for the crew that have worked hard tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the sleeve.